Hey, if you like small caps, you are going to love today's episode. So we made it through the end of June, and now we're going to look back at the last 6 months and the last month to see what the biggest winners have been. So before we get there, though, a good friend of mine and a legendary stock picker just released the details of a $4 stock that he's really, really happy about. So click the link below to see what he's up to and see if that stock is going to be one that we talk about in the next 6 months. All right, so we made it through the end of June, and guess what? The biggest stock winners of the last 6 months have been COVID stocks. We've got 3 stocks I want to talk to you about today, and all 3 of them are tiny little small caps that have something to do with COVID and coronavirus. So stock number 1 is Vaxart. It's ticker symbol VXRT. This stock is up over 2,000% since the beginning of the year. And what makes it unique? This is just a company with 14 employees that was nothing on nobody's radar 6 months ago, even 4 months ago. But what it has is a potential vaccine candidate that's a pill, not an injection, but a pill, which makes it very novel, very unique, and something worth looking at. And investors absolutely have. Number 2 is Novovac. So if you're a longtime watcher of the channel, you know this one. We've talked about it. I recommended it to my subscribers back in January, and it's since gone up just under 2,000%, like a percentage point or two as I record this, under 2,000%. And again, it's another vaccine company with a potential for a COVID vaccine. All right, so the third stock is Diagnostics with a ticker symbol CODX. This one's crazy. It's still up 1,800% year to date. So it went from 93 cents a share to over $17 a share. And this company 6 months ago, again, off the radar, really no products, minimal revenue, but it has a COVID detection product. Speculators are pouring into this and setting that share price up. That's the key to all of this. This is speculative money just flowing into stocks. Whether it's Robinhood investors putting their $1,200 stimulus money into stocks or just people gambling because the sports books are closed. This is speculative money that's going to come and go. These are not stocks you want to bank your mortgage on or anything like that. But if you have some play money, these are the sort of stocks that you can have a lot of fun with. So the last 6 months have been very, very good for COVID stocks. But what's interesting is it's another newsmaker that's in the headlines today. It's something I never thought I'd talk about in my financial career. I've been doing this for 20 years and never have seen something like we saw over the last month from a stock called Urban One. This ticker symbol is UONE. And it's soaring again because of speculator money, but not because of COVID, but by the other big newsmaker, Black Lives Matter. So this company has large black ownership. It's a mother and son duo, but speculative money is flowing into this company simply because of its ownership. So the crazy story here is Brigade Capital Management, institutional company, sold all of its position for 73 cents back in mid-June, just before all this really started to take hold and the speculators started to jump into this. Now the shares are at $20 each. So that company lost out on millions of dollars. So the question is this company still going to soar? Is, going from under $1 to $20 today, is it going to go to $40 next? My answer is no. This company has a market cap of right around $200 million, but almost $1 billion in debt. So a lot of people call this a leveraged equity play because it's all about the debt. And what does the company do? It's a radio and TV station mainly focusing on the black market. And if we know anything about what's happening in the radio, the media industry lately, advertising sales are way down. In April, for instance, its advertising sales were down by more than 50%. The trend really hasn't come back that much. So, shares are absolutely soaring when the business, the fundamentals are going down. That's a worrying sign. Again, speculators might have some fun here. If you're banking for college or to pay your mortgage, I wouldn't touch this one. I'd stay away. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the look back at the last 6 months and in particular the last crazy month. And don't forget about that $4 stock my friend, the legendary stock picker, just released. And for right now, go down below, click the button to sign up for my free daily digest. You'll get more commentary just like this delivered to your inbox for free every day. And so I'll talk to you in the next video.